Do you ever get bored of having to type out every single thing that you do on your Mac? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use dictation. So by the end of the video, you can use your voice to convert to text to take away some of that monotonous typing. So let's get started. Okay, so to set up dictation on our Mac, the first thing we're going to need to do is head over to settings. So I'm going to click on the Apple icon and I'm going to click on system settings. Once we're in system settings, what we want to do in this left-hand bar is keep scrolling down until you get to the option of keyboard. So go ahead and click on keyboard. And then we've got a whole host of options here, which we're going to ignore, and we're going to scroll down to this dictation section. So in here, the first thing that we're obviously going to want to do is check this to say, yep, we want to use dictation on our Mac. So go ahead and click, it'll say, are you sure? And then we're going to go enable. So the next thing that you can do is you can actually edit the language that you want your dictation to be in. So I'm going to keep mine on English here. The next thing you're going to do is your microphone source. This will automatically adjust. I have an external mic plugged in now, so that's what it's got, but it's actually set to automatic. So it'll automatically detect which microphone you have. So I would just leave that on automatic. And then you have the option of shortcut. So in here, you can press the control key twice, press the function key twice, right command key twice, left command key twice, or either command key twice. I like keeping it on press control key twice. You can choose any of the options. You can even customize and make your own shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it on press control key twice. And then we have the option here of auto punctuation. I tend to just keep this one on. So that's all the settings that we need to do. So why don't we go ahead and test this out? So I'm going to minimize here and I'm going to open up the notes that I had right at the start of the video. So what I should be able to do now is hit that control key twice, go to bank. And then to stop, I simply hit the control key twice again, and there we have it. I'm using my voice to convert to text using that dictation feature here on the Mac. And it's not limited to your to-do list. You could use it in emails, you can use it in messages. You can even open up Microsoft Word on your Mac and do the same thing. Dictation on Mac is great. Okay, so I could even dictate and write out an entire essay or maybe notes from a course that I've been on, all using my voice, using this dictation feature on Mac. So there you have it. Nice, quick, easy, but a really great, useful feature when you just don't feel like sitting there typing everything out. So if it's been useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.